Makeup hacks are so crazy sometimes, but I recently saw this. I'm going to use it on one side. You're supposed to use a blush, but as you know, I like to use Vaseline under my eyes because it helps fill in. It keeps any hydration, which I already put on. This is a hyaluronic serum, and so I always put that under my eyes. I put it between my eyebrows, my T-zone area, in large pore areas. Wherever I have large pores, that's where I put it. I use Vaseline under my concealer to fill in these little cracks and fine lines and wrinkles. The concealer on top of it. Put it here in the middle. See where it's a bit darker here? The idea with the Rosy Glow is with the pink blush is that it brightens. See how pink that is? The rest of it's going to go here. And I love this Vaseline. I put it on my lips every morning, noon and night, I think. We're just going to let that sit. This is a putty blush. I want to see if there's a difference between something like this and something like this putty blush. I'm trying this here with you for the first time. I'm going to use my fingertips, so this is a little bit thicker, and so what I want it to do with my warmth of my finger is to warm that up and fill into the pores. And we'll just see which one I like the best. What I like about this side is I like that it looks matte. I have to be careful because see how I see it looks like it's cracking? But we'll see if that's just filling in. And up here where it's dark and come down. I'll let that sit. Now I've already done my eyeshadow, my eyes and my eyebrows. I'm going to tap that in and go into the corner. I love Vaseline under my eyes because I really enjoy the way it hydrates it and plumps it up, especially when you put the hyaluronic serum underneath it. As you can see, I don't have any base makeup on. All I put on my face was Primer Serum, Wet n Wild's Prime and Seal, kind of a rosy glow color. So it's hydrating primer. That's all I have on my skin right now. And this is CoverGirl Clean and Fresh. It's a lightweight formula. And so I'm going to come here and down like that in this area here that's dark, and then I'm going to go up here on the corners, and then now this will help clean up that eyeshadow and give it a nice little edge. So come here and up on the corner. Again, I'm going to use my fingers because I want it to be warm and to melt them together. So one way what you can do is take your finger in the palm of your hand and warm up the tip of your finger. Just rub, 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 and I'm going to tap it in. I'm going to get my hair out of my face. I love these little clear clips. My hair is very thin, and I have just found some really fun volumizing techniques with it. Again, get it warmed up and tap. Now let's go on this side and up. Using the Rosy Glow Vaseline side, and very hydrated looking. Using the Elf Pink Putty Blush, it's much more matte. Let's put on some makeup. I'm going to use this Maybelline 4-in-1. This is a primer, a concealer, and a powder. This is a whipped matte finish. I like the way it feels when it goes on. So I use the Brow Like a Boss from about here back. The Brow Benefit, just light strokes for the very front here for some lighter lash-like. The Lift and Snatch, so NYX Lift and Snatch. I think that when we get older, like myself, is a good idea for mature women to use to put on their brows first, then go back in and do your eyes. That way, if you get any fallout from the eyeshadows underneath here, it's very easy to clean it up. Always blend your makeup in to your neckline and use this Elf retractable eyeliner for the tight line. I go in and just push that lid up. Push it up, push like you're pushing your eyelid away from your eye, and that way you're not poking it. So again, on this side, I just push my lid away from my eye, and that helps you be able to make it more steady and not to poke your eye. And the mascara is the Sky High Sensational. I went back over it with this Benefit roller. My eyeshadows are the NYX Ultimate, and I decided just to go with what I was wearing. So limes, greens, and oranges. Going in with the powder to set. And I think on this hack, I have to give it a thumbs up. I do need to go in with a little bit of blush on my cheeks. Just a bit here and here. I'm going to brush it out and up. This is the Elf Multi-Stick, lips, eyes, cheeks. If I can get up close, I think you will see It delivered a nice result on either side. I would definitely try this, ladies. I think if it works for me, it'll work for you too. I'll see you here next time doing my darlings. Remember, age is just a number. Don't let it define you.